boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. This will be a short one. It's In A Magical Love. So if you want to play along with this dance song, it's very easy. No need for any cape on this one. 4 chords, and that is what you need. So let's start with the chords. We have first the E minor. So that is open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, and open E. Next chord will be C. So that is third on A, second on D, open G, first B, and open E. Third chord will be A minor. So that is open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. And the final chord will be D. So these played with open D, second G, third B, and second E. Alright, so that is the chord portion through the entire song: E minor, C, A minor, and D. And we have basically 2 strumming patterns, one for the verse playing and one for the chorus playing. So the verse play will be, let's see, E minor first chord, it will be down and clap. You will play that down clap 2 times per chord. So E minor, C, down clap, A minor, down, and D, down clap, C, A minor, and D. So that is basically what's going on in the verse. And for the chorus, it gets up a little bit in the tempo there. So it will be down, down, clap, down. Okay, so the same way, 2 times per chord. Down, down, clap, down, 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 clap, down, 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 clap, down, 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 clap. E minor, C, 2 times per chord. With standard tempo, it's and that pretty much covers In A's Magical Love. So thank you for watching, hope it helped, and play tuned.